Hello and welcome to this utc.travel demonstration on how to use the multi-destination tool on the utc.travel platform. To start, simply click the multi-destination tab, choose the date that you want to start traveling from, and then pick the number of guests. From here, simply click search, put in the destination where you want to start from. So for this example, I'll be starting from London. Simply pop in the destination to begin, and then on the left you can begin typing out various different places that you want to visit. This tool can be used to book up to 24 different countries or cities all at once and simultaneously search for all of the transport and accommodations. You can also select options on the right on the map by simply moving around, dragging and dropping and selecting them. Popping in however many different places you want to travel to. So if I wanted to go to Bratislava as well in Slovakia, I can do so. Simply put the number of nights. I then wanted to go to Budapest, I can do so. Popping in all of these and so on and so forth. Okay, so I've now built out all of the destinations I want to go to. So I can see here that I've got 11 different destinations on the left, and I can see the route on the right that I will be taking around all of them. And then I simply click continue. And now the system is going to simultaneously search for all of the connecting transports and all of the accommodations in those areas. And it's going to present them all back to me and give me complete freedom to go through and find and pick and choose which different routes or transport options or accommodations I want. So the search has provided me with all of the information. I can see I'm traveling from the 7th of February to the 12th of March. I can also see the total price and a breakdown of price per person. And you'll see that on each of the transport options, it will give 3 options for the flights. I can select train and it will give me 3 options for the trains as well. So traveling with Eurostar. Alternatively, I can select buses as well. If I want to, and I can go in and actually have a deeper dive in the transports, I simply click more options and it will bring up all of the different transports available. Similarly, from Amsterdam to Berlin, we've got options of train, bus, flight, combined, or even a chauffeured driver if we so wish. And scrolling through, I can then pick and choose all of the different transports as I would like to add. But for the sake of time, I will scroll to the bottom and simply click continue. And now I get to look through the different accommodations. So looking at initially, we can see we've got 488 accommodations to choose from. The system will always present 3 options. The first one is the one that's automatically chosen. This is just done as it is. There's no hard and fast rule on which hotel gets chosen. The best price is exactly what it says on the tin. It will be the cheapest priced accommodation on our platform, and the most popular is the one that has the highest popularity score across all the different reviewing sites. But as I say, if I wanted to have a look at more options, I click see more accommodations and then I can go through and pick and choose accordingly. Similarly, for Berlin, we have 390 accommodations, and for Prague, we have over 990 as well. Now, if I wanted to go through and just select all of the cheapest options possible, I can do so by simply selecting the cheaper options. It then updates the price per person for me on the right. So scrolling down and just keep selecting all the best price options. You will then also see that if you have selected the best price or the cheapest one available, the next best price will be an increase. That is purely because I've already selected the cheapest one on the platform. So I've now gone through and selected all of the best price options, and I can see here that there is a new estimated price of just £1,094 per person. If I click continue, you're then prompted for if you would like to see activities for each destination. For now, I'm going to click no, and then it will bring me through to the itinerary of the trip I've booked. So on the left here, I can see a total glossary of what is included. So it's 33 nights abroad. There's 12 different transports, there's 11 accommodations, and by selecting all the cheapest accommodations, I can make this trip cost just £1,094 per person. And what this means is that you can have all of this transport for incredibly cheap. So it's the transport and accommodation. And I've managed to build the trip in just a matter of minutes. but if I scroll to the bottom as well, we can give an indication of the price savings as well as the amount of time.